Now we're going to have a look at finding GST content. So GST is goods and services tax. Tax is in New Zealand tax. It's 15%. So let's say we've got an item, and let's say the item is $108, and let's say it includes GST. So I'll put GST inclusive, and I'll put inclusive. I'll write the whole word out. There it is. And we want to find out, well, $108. Well, how much of the 108 is actually GST? So we're going to remove the GST first, that's step one, and then we're going to subtract the new amount from 108. So let's do that. So we've got 108, let's divide by 1.15, that gets rid of the GST. Let's have a look. So we've got 108, divide by 1.15, and we get $93.91. $93.91. So that is the amount. This is now GST exclusive. It doesn't include GST. So how much was the GST? Simple. We take the 108. We subtract the $93.91. So here it is. 108. We subtract the $93.91. And we find the GST was $14.09. $14.09. So the strategy, folks, take the GST inclusive amount, remove the GST, divide by 1.15, and that gives you the GST exclusive amount. There it is. Now we just subtract that amount from the original amount. There it is. And that's the amount of GST. So this is what we call the GST content. All right, let's do another one. Now, we did some before, actually, which actually we knew what the GST was. So let's actually see if we can do that. Let's have a look. So we've got, what was that? Right, here we go. We had $172.50. And that was after adding GST. So we know this amount here is GST inclusive. And I'll abbreviate it like that. I want to find out, of the $172.50, how much of that is actually GST and how much is actually the rest of the purchase price. So first step, remove the GST. So $172.50. That's meant to be a 5. It's one of those days. $172.50. We're going to divide it by 1.15, and that removes the GST. Well, let's see what we get. So we get $172.50. So let's have a look, $172.50. We're going to divide by 1.15. There's, without GST, it's 150. So now we take the 172.50. We subtract the 150. So I've got 172.50. We subtract the 150. That's the GST exclusive amount. Oh, the GST is $22.50. And that's, of course, the GST content. So this here is the GST inclusive amount. This is the GST exclusive amount. This excludes GST. Subtract the two, and you get the GST content. That's the amount of government tax within that figure there. And that's how we do this.